Hello YouTube. This is a 2005 BMW X3 3.0. It's got 155,000 miles, and a couple of months ago it has developed a noise when starting up from a dead stop. So when I accelerate, it makes this clunk, 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 clunk noise in the beginning, and then it starts to go away after I get to like 20-30 miles per hour. So I thought it was the transfer case. So I actually took out the transfer case and replaced the chain and the bearings. I found some videos there on YouTube on how to do that. The chain was loose, so I will have to do that anyways. But after I did that, it still makes that noise. So I ended up actually getting a used transfer case and put it up there, and that still has not solved the problem. So I started to look at some other problems. I started looking at the draft shaft. So what I did was I actually took the draft shaft out. As you can see, it's sitting on the floor right now. That's the part of the draft shaft connect to the transfer case. What I found out is that actually this center support, this in here, it's supporting the draft shaft right in the middle, and it's got two screws. So what I found out is that this center support is actually broken. So let me show you what it looks like now. So it actually is supposed to be all in one piece, but the rubber broken away. It's broke, as you can see, and the bearing is actually pretty bad as well. It's not really moving freely. So I think I found the problem. It took me a little bit time to actually get this bearing out of the draft shaft. Kind of stuck over there. So let me just show you how I. So see, as you can see, it's actually totally broken away from the bearing. I already took this out, but I just want to show you how I got this out. It's pretty tight. It does not want to get out of the draft shaft. So what I end up doing is I end up getting a tool set. It's called I got this from Amazon. It's a bearing separator puller set. It's really good. It's basically a tool that kind of get behind this bearing, and it's kind of like a puller. So you have this here, and then you have two bars going over there, and then you have a kind of a bolt, and that's how I got this out. So it's pretty easy actually once I do that. So anyways, I hope this will solve my problem, and because it's really broken. So as you can see, it's actually broken, and this bearing is not moving. So it seems like the problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. I already ordered it. It's gonna be here Sunday. I'm probably 80% sure this is the problem. Thank you.